Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have shared many videos on my channel about the brand KERIKIT, and I have loved all their bags in the past. They make really good quality leather diaper bags and handbags and accessories that are designed to go from baby years all the way through to after baby and as an adult. I did go away from their products for a little bit because I was no longer into diaper bags. My oldest is 4, so she doesn't need a diaper bag anymore. But they recently came out with a smaller bag that can be used as a small minimalist diaper bag or nappy bag if you need, but also as a handbag. So that is the one that I recently grabbed from their autumn-winter sale. So before any ado, let me introduce you to this cutie. This is called the Greta, and I have it in the croc leather. So today what I wanted to do is go over the features of the Greta. I'm going to give you a very honest feedback review and a little bit of a packing. I have used this for I'd say about 2 weeks now, actually. And I wanted to do that before I did my video because I wanted to actually tell you how I found wearing it, using it, the pros and the cons, because I like to be very honest on my channel. Okay, so this croc leather it's got a bit of a sheen to it. I kind of call it my sexy schmexy bag because it really does have a classy kind of funky feel to it. And I had purchased a midi Joy in this previously in this leather, and I ended up returning that for various reasons. So I decided to get something else in the leather because I really did like it. So it is a little bit shiny, but it has a very smooth, soft texture. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. So let me give you a close-up of the leather here. This is a light gold hardware, which is really pretty. It's not too over the top or anything like that. As you can see, this is quite a small bag. It kind of reminded me of a camera bag when I first saw it, and I went back and forth as to whether I wanted to purchase one. But then I saw many pictures on the Facebook Kit Girls page, which I will link below too. You can go and check out that community. And people were loving it. I was seeing what was fitting in there, so I decided to try this style out. So it does have a front pocket right here. It has a slip pocket with a magnetic closure on the back, and also has 4 feet on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about the bag getting dirty or damaged when you put it down. And then it has 2 little zipper pockets on each side, and I will show what I do fit in each one of. I do use each one of these. Now, I haven't wanted to switch out of this bag since I got it, I have to be honest. It really does kind of pack everything I want or I need for every day, and it's a really good just grab and go kind of bag. And so the strap that I have on it right now, this is called the Gretchen Strap. This is a sold separate strap. I did get it because I thought it would be really nice to use. Sorry, that is my dog going crazy in the back. So hopefully one of the kids will go get her in. But this is a really nice option. I find if I'm going out for dinner, if I'm going to functions, if I'm going, like I went to a winery over the weekend with my husband and a couple of friends, and I took it with my Gretchen Strap because it was just going, to the place, sitting down, all that jazz. If I'm going out for longer trips, there are other strap options, and I will show you those real quick. So here is the strap that it comes with. Now this has a croc leather on one side and then like a nylon on the other. So this is a very lightweight strap. When it's on its shortest length, it sits about here, a little longer than the Gretchen strap here. But I tried it for a few days crossbody to see how I liked it. And this is where it's adjusted. There's still more on here, and this sits right on my hip. If I've got some pictures, I'll pop them up so you can see. And I'm 5'9", so it fit me really nicely, very comfortable. As I said, very light. The hardware is a nice quality. You guys can see there. The lobster clip works pretty good. And it just matches the bag really nicely. Now, I can also use this strap on, say, my Coach jade bag, and the gold doesn't go in completely with it, but it's not exactly the same color gold, but it works. Like, it's actually a really nice option to have with this because the strap that comes with this bag is a little bit thin. So that is the strap that comes with the Greta. I did also purchase another strap from Amazon because I like my thick straps, and this is I'll put the link down for this as well. This is a woven guitar strap that cost me, I think, $20 by memory. And I thought it works really well. I have used this for a couple of days too. So there are 3 different options I can, I can use with my Greta, which is really cool. I like having options. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to show you how I have it packed up. I'll talk about the features I like about the bag, some of the cons that I've found after using it, some of the things I think maybe can be improved on the next design phase. But overall, this is a very, very good, everyday, practical, functional little bag. So yeah, so let's get into the packing portion of the video. So I did take off the strap because it's easy just to kind of show you everything without it. One thing I did want to note is when you do have the strap, say on this D-ring right here, just you're gonna have to make sure that you do pull up that D-ring with the strap to get to this pocket. So that's just one thing I wanted to mention straight away. Just take it off, but these do come on and off real quick. These D-rings are not too thick, so all my straps that I got with the D-rings do fit on here. You can put little baubles, or not baubles, little pom-poms or bag charms and stuff off these hooks, but I just chose not to. I find it gets in the way, especially getting into these pockets right here. So this front pocket here does have double zippers. Actually, every pocket has double zippers, which is nice. And also, well, I don't know, I don't think it's really needed on these pockets, but it is a nice option to have if that's what you prefer. So I usually, I only use the one zipper. So if I've got it on my shoulder, I can easily just grab this zipper pull here and zip this way. Now, I did want to mention that on these zipper pulls is the KERIKIT logo kind of engraved on there. You can see that. See if I can get in closer. Okay. And these are on this particular bag, they're very, very smooth. So I can easily just open this one up with one tab. And then in the inside, there is some organization that is really nice. I'll just kind of pull this back here. This lining is apparently wipeable. I wouldn't say that you could, if you get pen or something on here, I don't believe it's the easiest to get off. But if you get, say, water or juice or whatever, you can probably just wash that off, because it is designed to be used with children. So in this pocket, there is one little elastic pocket here, which I'm not quite sure what that's for. I mean, I put stuff in it, but my phone's too big to fit in it. Sunglasses would be too tall. So I'm not quite sure what the functionality idea behind that pocket was. However, I do use it for little things. Maybe it's for like lipsticks and things. So then there's a pen loop here, which unfortunately, unless you have a small pen, which you can buy from Amazon, regular size pens are just too tall. And it doesn't fit a lipstick. Like I use this thick lipstick and even a thinner lipstick. I mean, the pens do fit through there. It's not like it's too small to fit a pen through. It's just not, there's not enough height to put a regular size pen. So I haven't put anything in here. There's a pocket back here, 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. Now, for me, I couldn't use these. I have an Apple card and it's a little thicker than regular cards and it wouldn't fit in here, especially with cards back here. And it was just a little bit tight. So I'd like to see this maybe a tad wider, just a tad wider for, regular cards that you get in and out all the time. If you want to put, say, medical cards and stuff back there that you don't have to access constantly, that's a good option. Or if you have, say, Metro cards or something you want to put back, or some kind of other, or punch cards, those would probably be a good place for those. I just don't have any of those in my wallet anymore because, there's nowhere to punch cards over here. Then there's another little loop right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's, I guess, designed if you wanted to clip on your keys or your little wallet, if you have one of those card wallets. But it is very, very difficult to get to. So honestly, I'd like to see this moved over a little bit. Or actually move this D-ring to maybe over here so you can actually use it. But otherwise, I mean, it is designed to be functional. So you can use it if you have the correct, items to put in there. So at the moment, in this little pocket here, I do have a little hand sanitizer from the Bath & Body Works. And I have my lip gloss thing, lipstick thing. And they fit great in there. I can just, because I like to grab that when I go in and out of shops. So that works really well. Then I have my iPhone 11 right here. So that's a good place to I like to have it in the zip rather than in the back. And then I also have, this is a KERIKIT Oprah. This is the old Oxblood, ages ago. I don't even know if she did anything in this one, but I've had this forever. My other Louis Vuitton wallet is getting fixed, and so I switch into this. So I put all my cards in this at the moment. So it's working well. Has a little slip pocket at the back here. She does sell these just in different colors right now, so I will pop the link down below if you'd like to check that out as well. So actually I'm going to put my stuff back in there because I haven't switched out of this bag since I got it because I love it so much. On the back here there is a magnetic pocket. Finds the magnet really easy, don't have to worry about that. You can fit your phone back here if you want, but I just have receipts and stuff back here. That's just a nice easy catch-all pocket for me. Say this is on my body, okay? My body's here. I like to put things in this pocket that I'm going to be accessing often. So in here, I do have 2 masks, one for my daughter and one for myself. In there, I just kind of shove them in. These days, you got to take masks everywhere. Now the other pocket that's further away from me is where I keep my Louis Vuitton key pouch, and this has my keys in it, okay? This fits perfectly in there. So if you're a Louis Vuitton fan and you have a key pouch or key clay, that's a perfect pocket for that. Now, one thing I did want to mention is this particular zipper. I don't know why. I think it's these little bits here from the pocket. These little, it has to be because I think it catches on these. So if I'm zipping it from the front to the back, which is how I would zip it to get in and out anyway, it's fine. It goes. If I try to zip from the back to the front, a lot of the time it gets, well, it's doing it now, but it gets caught like right here. So that was a little bit of an issue. I think the more I'm using the zipper, see now it's working, the better it is. But just be aware that you could encounter that, but it's nothing against the zipper. I just think it's a little flappy bit in the side there. Okay, so we're going to go into the center now. 2 zipper pulls, but honestly, as I said, I just usually have them on one side and just open it like this. All right, so there's a section in the middle here, and then there's a little pocket on the side, which I'll show you in a minute, and then a zip pocket at the back here that is leather lined with KERIKIT embossed in the leather. So I have this bag packed up for myself, and if I take my daughter, I really don't take anything extra these days because she's 4. So if we go anywhere to sit, she just entertains herself. She talks to me or whatever. I don't really take entertainment stuff for her anymore. The center here, I do have this is a Vuitton coffee cup that I found at Target the other day for $10. Really good deal. This keeps things hot and cold, and I actually have been using it for my coffee today because I didn't want to buy coffee while we're out because, you know, it's pricey. So this fits perfectly in the Greta. It zips up with room to spare on the top. So that's what I have in the corner there. And then in this little pocket, which is designed for bottles, but it doesn't stretch out a whole bunch. So if you wanted to put like a thick bottle in there, I think you can, but it would have to be maybe a shorter bottle. I don't use it for bottles, obviously. Oh, I don't have it in there at the moment, but I did have my AirPods in there. Must have taken them out. That's where I usually put my AirPods if I want to bring them with me, if we're going somewhere where I want to sit down. Say I was getting my nails done or something and I want to sit down and listen to YouTube or watch a video or whatever on my phone, I put my AirPods in there. Now, standing up here is my Louis Vuitton mini Porchette, which has all my, you know, med kit stuff and things like that in there. I usually have my hand sanitizer in there, but I took it out recently because I do have a place to put it in this bag. Then behind that, I've just got a mini wipe pouch. Take that everywhere. I actually don't have anything in this zip pocket, but it's a nylon zipper. Very nice and smooth. And then just shoved in the corner here, I do have a fruit snack and a granola bar, just in case we got hungry or my daughter got hungry. So this does open up quite wide. You can get in and out of it. That was one of my concerns when I saw this style, was how the opening would be. But so far, I don't go into this pocket that often. I did today to get my coffee cup and my wipe pouch and stuff, but most of the time it's pretty closed all the time. I always use this pocket here because that's where my wallet is, it's where my phone is, it's where my lipstick is. Everything's in this front pocket, which is really nice. So yeah, so let me just pack it up real quick. So there is my packing video and little honest review and overview of the KERIKIT Greta. If you have any questions, please pop them below. If you did like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a safe and happy day, and I will see you next time. Bye.